Most restaurants close during hurricanes, some close during snowstorms, some close during power outages. But Waffle House, it stays open so often that the US government actually uses it to measure how bad a disaster is. Seriously, and once you understand why, you will never look at this restaurant the same way again. Emergency officials have something called the Waffle House Index. And yes, that's real thing. When a hurricane hits, officials check whether local Waffle House locations are still operating. If they are open, the damage probably is not catastrophic. If they are closed, the situations may be much more worse. Think about that. Restaurants became so reliable that disaster agencies started paying attention to it. But why Waffle House? The energy goes much deeper than most people realize. Most restaurant chains focus on comfort. Waffle House focuses on resilience. Many locations are still designed to operate under difficult conditions. Employees are trained to keep service running even when circumstances become challenging. And during major storms, many locations switch to limited menus instead of shutting down completely. Why? Because staying open is not just a business decision, it's the part of the company's identity. And that's where the real story begins. Here, some things most people never think about. Waffle House is not competing during normal hours. Its biggest advantage happens when everyone else closes. Late night workers, travelers, truck drivers, hospital staff, night shift employees, when nearby restaurants lock their doors, Waffle House suddenly becomes one of the only options left. And customers remember that, especially during emergencies, because reliability creates loyalty and loyalty creates repeat customers. Waffle House is not just a restaurant anymore, it's become a part of American culture. At 2 am, you will find college students, road trippers, night shift workers, families, and people who honestly have no idea how they ended up there. That's what makes the Waffle House unique. Almost everyone has a story, and those stories spread online. Memes, videos, tweets, photos. The restaurant developed a reputation that no marketing campaign could buy, and that's exactly why younger audiences keep discovering it. The hurricane stories are what really turned Waffle House into a legend. Over the years, people noticed something strange. Major storms would hit, businesses would close, roads would flood, and somehow many Waffle House locations were still surviving food. Sometimes with reduced menus, sometimes under difficult conditions, but still operating. The internet could not believe it. News stations covered it, customers shared photos, and every storm made the reputations even stronger. Waffle House was not just known for waffles, it became known for refusing to quit. Now you might wonder why don't other restaurant chains do the same thing? Because this reputation took decades to build. You can't suddenly announce, we are always open. Customers have to believe it, and belief comes from consistency. Year after year, storm after storm, holiday after holiday, Waffle House earned that trust over time. And once customers associate your brand with reliability, you become much more than a restaurant, you become a symbol. So why does Waffle House never close? Because being open is not just what they do, it's who they are. It's who they are. That commitment created loyal customers, created internet legends, created national attentions, and even created a disastrous metric used by emergencies officials. Which means the next time you drive past a Waffle House at 3 am and see the lights still on, you will know there is a reason, and it's much bigger than waffles. Be honest, have you ever eaten at a Waffle House? And if not, what's the latest you have ever gone to a restaurant? Comment below.